For us, it's as important to be local because we want them to be local. We're big believers in taking care of those that take care of ourselves. We'd much rather take care of somebody in our front yard, and so it's very important for us to deal locally, and for them to just be able to take care of us and see them every day. That relationship is huge. Cuts costs, but then it develops a relationship where they know where things are being grown, we know where things are going. That relationship, I don't believe, can be replaced outsourcing somewhere else.